to Itty Bitty Stars. What is gravity all about? Let's explore and check it.
Well, friends, welcome to my science lab.
We are going to try some science experiments, and I have one ready to go. We are going to learn about gravity. Does anyone know what gravity is? Well, it is an invisible force that we can't see, but it pulls things down to the ground. How cool is that? So, what would happen to this balloon if we tried to push it up? Would it go up? Would it stay up in the air? Or would it come back down to the ground? Would gravity pull it back down to the ground? Let's have a go and see what happens. All right, are you ready to watch Miss Bec? I'm going to push that balloon up. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Guess what? The balloon came back down to the ground. Gravity pulled it back down to the ground. Well, stay where you are. Can you maybe try and help me push that balloon up into the air? Okay, we're going to feel all of that air being pushed up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Fabulous! And back down it came. Well, jump up on your feet, my friends, because we are going to try an experiment with you this time. Make sure you've got plenty of space around you. You're not going to bump into anyone or anything. And we are going to see what happens if we jump up. Are we going to go up like the balloon? Are we going to stay up in the air? Oh my goodness, and float? Or, like the balloon, are we going to come back down? Is gravity going to be able to pull us back down? Let's find out. Are you ready to jump? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! We did. We came back down. That was gravity pulling us back down to the ground. Should we try one more time? Let's give it a go. 1, 2, 3. Great job, my beautiful friends. Okay, let's have a try with the balloon as well. What is gravity all about? Let's explore and check it out. It's an invisible field that holds things down. Without it, things would float around. By jumping up and down, I found gravity will bring us back to the ground. Let's jump! Good job! Let's jump. Let's jump. Let's jump. Excellent job. We are scientists, we love to play with experiments every day. We are scientists in lab coats, so we record results and compare notes. Great job, everyone. Let's try one more time. Wow! It came back down. Gravity. Boy, that is so much fun. Hi, it's Bec from Itty Bitty Stars. Enjoy this? Find our full online program in our portal, info below, or subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.